The ramifications of the adverse impacts of climate change and climate-induced disasters are not only being felt beyond boundaries, but also across generations. And it's not too long away that we just had a very sad flash floods experience in 2022, and being one of the least emissions country, less than 1% of the global emissions, we are one of the top 10 vulnerable countries. Our failure to address the structural deficiencies in the international financial system is aggravating global inequalities and poverty.